Have you ever been building a kit while daydreaming about building another kit? That's how you get to Whip Wednesdays.
Whip Wednesday!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Welcome back, Daydreamer, to another Whip Wednesday. And in today's episode, we're going to be building the RX79 Ground War set. This set includes optional parts for GM heads. It's got a crazy amount of weapons and things like that because, of course, the RX78 ground type was part of like the MS team, 8th MS team show, known for having the backpack full of gear. You have an option to make the GM or the RX79 ground type, and I mean, it's really cool. On top of that, the extra cool thing about this kit is that it comes with 2 hover tanks. Now, with the inclusion of the gun tanks and the ability to customize this unit to be basically whatever you want it to be. Do you want it to be an RX type? Do you want it to be a RGM type? And the loadout can be changed depending on your own preference. Again, with the 2 tanks, that basically means that this is the best kit that you could possibly get as a quick start for playing the Skirmish game. And if you don't know about that, the Gundam Skirmish game, or I'm sorry, the Mecha Skirmish game, it's not branded to my knowledge, is a really awesome tabletop game that you can play with 1/144 scale Gunpla. And it's really, really cool to see this play out. I haven't got to play a lot, so I'm not really an expert on the game itself. I do have an intro video to the game and just letting you know what it is and that it exists. I will slap that up here. If you're new to Whip Wednesdays, this is the spot where I basically build new projects. I build kits to get, customized later. I finish stuff that's been in progress too long. Basically, it's just that. It is a work in progress Wednesday. It's something new and different. It doesn't even have to be a kit. Sometimes I build a airbrush booth or whatever. It's a little bit shorter than my regular content on Fridays, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do like this video, please like it, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and share the video with anybody that you might think will like it too. So let's start on assembly.
You go and can't, without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. They use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. They use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come up with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You're begging me to come up with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.